Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. If you guys are looking for a great multi-use trailer where you guys can ditch your big toy haulers and be able to still do some camping and working and all the above, that's exactly what this is. We specialize in off-road trailers and multi-use trailers here. We're a different kind of trailer company. You guys can view all of our inventory online at getmytrailer.com, and we ship for great rates. So if you guys aren't near us, it's all good. This one is stock number 15439. It's a beautiful 7x16 multi-purpose trailer in a black Blackout package. It does give you guys the black diamond plate rock art along the bottom. You've got that great V-nose guard as well. You also have a side door with RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection there, which is nice. It gives you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. Then you guys can see we've got two party lights off the side. These are awesome light bars. You can have that exterior light at night if needed. You also have an exterior GFI outlet right here as well. Two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours, aluminum wheels. You've got the black diamond plate fender with this as well, and then stabilizer jacks underneath the back. So you guys can bring those down and have that extra stability when you unhook from your vehicle. Couple of windows, we'll look at that in a second. Rear ramp door, of course, you can load and unload your toys in and out of here. You also have two spotlights off the back so you can load and unload in the dark. This is an insulated unit, so you've got insulated walls and ceiling with a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. This is a great interior product to use. It reflects the light nice and it's easy to take care of and keep clean. Here's two of the 18x44 slider windows with screens. These are a tinted lockable window, again with a screen. Plus you've got a maxx air roof vent here in the back, so some great ventilation. We also have ran the Performance Nudo floor with dry max in here with 6 D-rings. This is one of the most durable floors we can stick in a trailer. You guys probably have seen it in our off-road trailers as well. It's just meant to hold up and last and hold up to some use. 7-foot interior height, so it's gonna be tall enough for most of those UTVs out there. You do have a light switch back here, which is gonna turn on your party lights here, or excuse me, turn on your spotlights here off the back. And then you've got additional switches here. This trailer is set up with a battery box, and a battery charger, which is awesome because this is going to run those outside lights that we just looked at, and it's going to run your 4 interior puck lights in here. So you no longer have to be plugged into a vehicle or have a noisy generator on to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer. Now you also have 30 amp service as well, so you guys have this nice big long cord. You can take it, pop it right through the floor, go to a generator. You can plug into an extension cord or a campground. That's going to bring 110 power into the trailer and power up your interior outlets. You've got 4 inside, 1 outside. It's also going to run your AC unit with a heat strip, so you guys do have the ability to heat and cool this unit as well. And it's also going to bring power into these awesome 4-foot LED lights across the ceiling. These are really awesome bright lights. If you guys need a lot of light to work or do something like that, you've got that option as well because you've got all the switches and you can control what you've got on and off. 16 feet of total length from the V to the ramp door. Again, we've got 7-foot interior height in here. This unit weighs 2,000 pounds. You've got a 5,000 pound payload capacity and a 3-year factory warranty. So give us a call. We'd love to earn your business. 303-688-8485. Or again, you can view all of our inventory online at getmytrailer.com, and be sure to like and subscribe.